All right. So this the 2LT Camaro. We're gonna do some up close visuals here. It's been raining all morning, so I got this rag here. Wipe down, the excess water, so you can see it pretty good. But yeah, she looks good down here. You got, look like it was touched up a little bit. It's real small, right up under the fog lamp there. A few little very minor scratches there. I mean, it's not even in the paint. Looks like you can easily buff it off. So, but yeah, that front bumper looks good there. Let's see. You can see maybe a few small chips there. You can see that pretty good there. Looks like some glue. You just kind of wipe off there and right here. All right. We'll do the passenger side here. A few little scratches there, a little chip there. But yeah, she looks good down here at the bottom. Looks like that comes right on off too. Yeah, but she looks good all around the wheel wells. Lights are clear. So hopefully this helps.